Good morning everybody, myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Let's discuss today about an electric bulb. An electric bulb is basically an electrical resistance which gives a certain power P0 under a standard voltage V0. You might have seen that it's written on the bulb that it's 220 volt and 40 watt or 60 watt or 100 watt. That means when applied voltage is 220 volt, then the output will be 40 volt or 60 watt or 100 watt. So when it is applied to certain other voltage, output power will be different. So let's see things into proper perspectives. The first is, it's a standard resistance under a standard voltage V0, it gives a power P0. So we can say that P is equal to V square by R. So P0 is V0 square by R. So resistance of this bulb is V0 square by P0. If we connect this bulb to another voltage V, we have P is equal to V square by R. So it will be P is equal to V square by V0 square into P0. So this is expression for the power. Here P0 is the standard power, V0 is the standard voltage, V is the applied voltage. So we can see the graph will be a parabola with V, straight line with P0, and it will be rectangular hyperbola with V0, given that other parameters remain the same. So the first thing is graph between P and V under the condition that V0 is constant. So since P is proportional to V square, so graph will be a parabola. If V and V0 are constant, P is proportional to P0, that means graph will be a straight line. And if P0 and P0 and obviously it's P versus V0, P0 and V are constant. So if P0 and V are constant, P will be proportional to 1 by V0 square. So graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. So in this way you have seen that it's very easy to solve the questions if you have learned information in a systematic and proper way. So do remember, focus on your processes, focus on the process.